Is now the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Marathon Patent. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, November 28, 2023. And today, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 14, 2023, our system has ranked Marathon Patent as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.20. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have seen an impressive gain of 35.01% since we first listed Marathon Patent as a buy candidate 10 days ago. This means an average return of 3.5% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently part of a wide and falling trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $12.68, it may indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -7.28% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -49.95% and -5.01%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 40.34% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -6.22% and 145.93%. This means the stock could potentially trade between $11.61 and $30.45 after a year. Our latest update on Marathon Patent brings exciting news. The stock price experienced an impressive gain of 9.75% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, Marathon Patent stock price climbed from $11.28 to $12.38. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $11.55 and a high of $12.40, showcasing a 7.36% range. This marks the 6th increase in the past 10 days, resulting in a remarkable 34.86% rise over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded also increased, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 24 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 62 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $766.25 million. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Marathon Patent stock reached $19.88, while the lowest price was $3.11. Currently, the stock price is 37.71% below its 52-week high, with a difference of $7.50. Furthermore, it stands at 85.16% below the all-time high achieved on November 9, 2021, which was $83.45. Analyst ratings. On Friday, September 23, 2022, it was reported that BTIG gave Mara a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, August 11, 2022, it was reported that Jefferies gave Mara a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, July 12, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities gave Mara a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, June 24, 2022, it was reported that Cowen & Company gave Mara a market perform grade with an initialize action. On Friday, June 3, 2022, it was reported that BTIG gave Mara a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Marathon Patent stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong sell rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals we've identified for Marathon Patent. Let's start with the chart analysis. The Marathon Patent stock is showing mostly positive signals. Both the short and long-term moving averages are giving buy signals, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at $10.99 and $9.27. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Now, let's talk about some recent developments. On Tuesday, October 3, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the stock has risen by 69.59%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also indicating a buy signal. Furthermore, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals in the stock market. Let's dive in. One signal that caught our attention is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. We also have the pivots indicator, which indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. Bollinger Bands, another popular indicator, gave a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the short-term moving average showed a sell signal 12 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 23 days ago. Taking a closer look at the 12-month chart, we find interesting trends. The short moving average signaled a sell 15 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal just 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 57 days ago. For more signals and in-depth analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Marathon Patent. When it comes to support levels, we can see that the stock has some strong ones. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $10.24 and $10. Now, it's important to understand the risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Marathon Patent, if $10.24 support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10 and $9.76. Moving on to risk, this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movement during the day, and the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval. In fact, in the last day, the stock had a price range of 85 cents, which is equivalent to a 7.36% fluctuation. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 7.93%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies can go through temporary downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on March 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Marathon Patent is at $12.57. For those who don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. If you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Marathon Patent encounters its first support level at $10.24. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The overall consensus rating for Marathon Patent, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael purchased 0 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael also acquired 143,141 shares of restricted stock units. However, on the same day, Crawford James sold 147,436 shares of RSUs. Another insider, Swami ASHU, bought 136,133 shares of restricted stock units on November 10, 2023. In a separate transaction on August 31, 2023, Swami ASHU sold 7,733 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 47.612. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,512,588 shares and sold 1,068,277 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $11.94, which represents a decrease of 3.56%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which translates to a higher level of risk for investors. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 39 days ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, Marathon Patent holds several positive signals. At these current levels, we consider it to be a good choice. In fact, we expect Marathon Patent stock to perform very well in the next 3 months. That's why we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 29th, we anticipate Marathon Patent to open down by $0.270 and start trading at $12.11. Before we begin, let's talk about the risks involved in trading. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.